Adrenaline. Adrenaline is monkeys' emergency hormone. The moment danger shows up, a jolt or threat, adrenal glands flood the blood with it. Heart races, pupils widen, muscles get oxygen, and everything non-essential shuts down as survival mode kicks in faster than thought itself.
Cortisol. Cortisol is monkeys' stress hormone. It raises blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and keeps the body alert when stress hits. Normally, it peaks in the morning to help monkey wake up, then fades through the day. But when stress never stops, cortisol stays high, wrecking sleep, weakening immunity, and leaving monkey drained.
Insulin. Insulin is the key that unlocks the body's cells. After eating banana, sugar enters the bloodstream, and the pancreas releases insulin. It tells cells, open up, energy is here, so sugar can enter and fuel the body. Without enough insulin, sugar stays trapped in the blood, while cells starve.
But to truly understand how insulin works, you need to see the anatomy behind it, how the pancreas, blood vessels, and cells work together. That's where Teach Me Anatomy comes in. 3D models, dissection atlas, exam-style questions, and flashcards to help you visualize and master the human body. Save 15% with code MONKEY15. Link in description.
Glucagon. Glucagon is insulin's backup partner. When monkey hasn't eaten banana for several hours, blood sugar starts falling. That's when glucagon tells the liver to release its stored sugar into the bloodstream. It's basically the monkey body's emergency fuel reserve.
Melatonin. Melatonin is monkey's sleep signal. As darkness falls, the brain releases it, slowing heart rate and calming the body. Sleepiness builds naturally, but bright screens at night suppress melatonin, confusing the system. That's why scrolling late often makes monkeys struggle to fall asleep. Dopamine. Dopamine is monkey's anticipation hormone. It spikes when expecting a reward, finishing a goal, winning a game, or hearing a notification. The chase often feels better than the catch because dopamine drives motivation and focus. The monkey brain remembers that feeling and says, that was nice, let's do it again. Serotonin. Serotonin is monkey's mood hormone. It regulates mood, sleep, appetite, and digestion, keeping emotions steady rather than euphoric. Most of it is made in the gut, not the brain. Low serotonin links to depression, anxiety, and irritability. Oxytocin. Oxytocin is monkey's bonding hormone. Released during moments of trust between people, that deepens relationships. Oxytocin actively changes how monkey perceives other people, making them feel safer, more familiar, and more worth protecting. Growth hormone. Growth hormone drives monkey's childhood growth, but keeps working in adulthood. It maintains muscle, supports fat metabolism, and repairs tissues after damage. Released mostly during deep sleep, it's the body's repair shift. That's why sleep deprivation hits recovery and health so hard. Thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones are monkey's metabolic dial. Made in the thyroid gland, they set how quickly cells use energy, body temperature, and heart rate. Too much makes monkey restless, anxious, and burning fuel too fast. Too little slows everything. Fatigue, weight gain, sluggish thinking. Antidiuretic hormone. ADH is monkey's water saver. When dehydrated, the hypothalamus releases it, telling kidneys to hold water instead of sending it to the bladder. Urine becomes concentrated. Fluid levels stabilize. Without ADH, kidneys would waste water constantly, risking dehydration even when monkey drinks enough. Parathyroid hormone. PTH manages calcium. When blood calcium drops, parathyroid glands release PTH immediately. It signals bones to release calcium, kidneys to conserve it, and vitamin D to absorb more from food. Within minutes, monkey system restores balance, so muscles and nerves keep working normally.
Leptin. Leptin is monkey's I'm full hormone. Fat cells release it to tell the brain energy reserves are stocked. Normally, leptin helps control appetite and body weight. But in some monkeys, the brain slowly stops responding to leptin properly, making it much harder to recognize when they're actually full. Ghrelin. Ghrelin is monkey's hunger hormone. When the stomach empties, ghrelin rises, pushing monkey brain to think it's time to eat. After eating, levels fall again. It's basically the body's built-in reminder that the fuel tank is getting low. Calcitonin. Calcitonin lowers calcium when blood levels rise too high. Released by the thyroid, it tells bones to absorb calcium and kidneys to excrete more. It works opposite parathyroid hormone, which raises calcium when it's too low. Together, they keep monkeys' calcium balanced. Aldosterone. Aldosterone is monkey's blood pressure hormone. Made by the adrenal glands, it tells the kidneys to keep sodium and water while removing extra potassium. This helps maintain blood volume and blood pressure. Erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is monkey's oxygen hormone. When oxygen levels fall, the kidneys release EPO to tell the bone marrow to make more red blood cells. More red blood cells mean more oxygen can be delivered throughout the body. Atrial natriuretic peptide, ANP, is monkey's pressure relief hormone. When the heart senses too much blood volume, it releases ANP, telling the kidneys to remove extra salt and water through urine.